Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I am here with another makeup look. I love this look. This is the month of June and this is the LGBTQ Pride month, so I thought of creating this look. If you have been watching my videos since a long time, you know that I don't play with a lot of colors. I always gravitate towards nude looks, and this one for me is a very colorful look. I mean, it's colorful yet subtle, so yeah, I love it. Okay, so now let's start with the video. I just washed my face with Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. You guys know how much I love using this cleanser. I've been using this cleanser for, I don't know, maybe 6 months or maybe over 6 months. This one is for sensitive skin and I have sensitive skin and it works great for me. This one actually softens and soothes my skin and my skin does not feel dry after using this. I received your DMs stating that you guys tried this one and how much you guys love this one. I'm really happy when I can help you guys. Now I'm just gonna use this L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence and then just pat it on my skin. Next, I'm going to use this moisturizing lotion. This is the Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. So I just take a very tiny amount, like maybe this much. I just massage it on my skin. And this one keeps my skin hydrated. I'm going to mix the next two products. The first one is this one by Sugar. This is the Bling Glitter Illuminating Moisturizer. This is in the shade Pink Tripping. I'm going to add a little bit of this. And then I'm gonna add this PAC Pure Hydration Gel. I love the combination of... What happened? What just happened? Oh my god, did I just use it up all? Oh, there it is. So I mix these two. And guys, just look at this crazy glow. Now I'm gonna apply my favorite foundation. This one is the Forever 52 Spotless Glow Stick Foundation, and this one is in the shade Wheat. So this is the month of June and this is the LGBTQ Pride month. And so I thought of doing a look and also talk about certain issues that need to be talked about. I will list all the products I used in this video in the description box below, including the lens. How I see it, this is about raising awareness, embracing diversity, and also be conscious about the biases we have. And you know, it's sometimes funny that sometimes we don't realize that we do have biases, and it's called the unconscious bias. You can surf Google, you can search some of the videos in YouTube. It's really interesting. And my foundation's done, and oh my god, I just love how glowy it is. Now I'm going to apply my concealer, and it's the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This one has medium to full coverage. The sponge I'm using is from Real Techniques. This is their Miracle Complexion Sponge. I'm also going to use it on top of my eyelids because I'm going to play with a little bit of colors today. And I want a clean canvas for my eyeshadows. So speaking of unconscious bias, we all have a friend, like a male friend, who might have feminine gestures, but somehow or the other we make fun of it, we laugh it off. We use certain terms which may be very derogatory and in the long term might harm that person mentally, but we don't realize it and we laugh it off. All I'm saying is that we have to be a little bit more conscious about the words we choose, the comments we make, the jokes we make, the comments we make based on their sexual orientation. Next, I'm going to brighten my under eye area a little bit. So I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm just going to apply 3 dots. And look how bright my under eye area already looks. I'm going to set this with the LA Girl Pro Powder, and I'm not going to bake it. I'm just going to take some and directly apply it under my eyes and set the concealer. I'm also going to set my eyelids with the same powder. Alright, my base is set. The brush I'm going to use for my crease area is this Oriflame blending brush, and the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use is I Heart Revolution. Now that's what I call makeup, and I'm going to use this shade, which is a very pretty orangey brown shade, and I'm going to use this in the crease of my eyes. Couple of facts about how the LGBT community is accepted today. Around 40% of the people from the LGBTQ community, they live in an unwelcoming environment, and about 80% of the LGBTQ community, they face social isolation, and I'm talking about severe isolation. So just imagine this, we're here in the lockdown, and it's so difficult for us to live in this situation, like not going out, not being able to meet with our friends, family. We've already started complaining about the lockdown, and just imagine they are living this life because of this imposed isolation. Don't you think that there's something that we can do? And I'm not talking about activism. So I'm just gonna take this shade and just apply it in the crease, like really pack the color in there. The orange looks really pretty. Now taking my Huda Beauty palette, this is the Amethyst Obsessions palette. I'm going to take this very pretty pink, and I'm using the same blending brush. I just cleaned it with this PAC Express brush cleaner. I'm going to use it in the middle of my upper eyelid. It's a very, very, very pretty pink. Now I'm again gonna clean the brush with the PAC Express brush cleaner. It makes my life so much easier when I have to switch to a different color, and I don't want to use a different brush. Completely cleans the brush. Next, I'm going to use a new palette. This one is the This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. This is from Tann Beauty. I haven't tried it before. This is the first time I'm going to use it. Beautiful colors. And I'm going to use this shade in the outer corners of my eyes. I think I'm not using the right brush. I'm going to switch my brush. I am going to switch my brush to the La Cara brush. This is the E006. I'm going to take that purple shade and just pack it in the outer corners of my eyes. So I think we should, all of us, we should practice kindness and inclusion in our daily life. Let's just not tolerate any unnecessary trolling, inappropriate jokes on someone's sexual orientation. You should always be a friend where people can be authentic around you. Like they won't feel embarrassed or they won't feel judged. Being judged. But the color is very, very pretty. I'm going to take the same pink again, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, the middle of my lower lash line. And the brush I'm going to use is this La Cara brush. This is the E007 brush. Now I am going to go back to my Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to use this pretty yellow shade. I'm going to apply it in the inner corners, and I'm going to take it up a little bit. The brush I'm going to use is the La Cara brush. This is the E008 brush, and I'm going to join this with the pink in the lower lash line. The mascara I'm going to apply is this Rimmel London 100% waterproof mascara. So I just applied some eyelashes. These are from Forever 52. Now taking the Tann Beauty eyeshadow palette again, I'm going to take this black shade. The brush I'm using is E010 brush from La Cara, and I'm going to take this and apply it on my upper lash line, very, very close to the lashes. The lashes I'm wearing, they're like super dramatic. So that's it for the eyes. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is in the shade Felix Onyx. The bronzer I'm going to apply is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. The brush I'm using is from Miniso. For the blush, I'm going to use this Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush. This is in the shade Rosy Peach. And I'm going to take this Nykaa blush brush. The highlighter, I'm really confused which one to use. Should I use the Milani setting powder or should I use the PAC Glitz and Glare shimmer powder? I think I'm gonna go with the pack one. Wow, like this one is really an intense highlighter. For the lipstick, I'm going to use something a little bit more pink. So I'm going to use this PAC Soft Matte Cream Lipstick. This is in the shade Cherry Blossom. It's a beautiful peachy pink shade. So this is it. This is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it. And if you did, then please show me some love by clicking on the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Guys, please don't forget to comment down below how you like this look. And if you have any requests, then share it as well. I really hope we become more compassionate and we respect our differences, be it racial or religious or of sexual orientation. And I hope we create a better world for everyone. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.